zoomed out on my actual drawing file that I've created here in SolidWorks of my CO2 Dragster. Now once I've zoomed out, I see the full extent of the actual drawing sheet. What I want to do now is select a view, as you see here, and I want to come up here and hit my pull down for display style and come down and select inlines visible. Let's zoom up on this and take a look. Well, there's a tremendous amount of nebulous information here that we really don't need. So what I will do now is I will right mouse click and come down to tangent edge, and I will say tangent edge is removed. And what this does is it gives me the essential information that a judge will need to correctly judge the car. So let's zoom out here a little bit and come up and do the same thing on the bottom edge. We'll come up and make sure that we've got actually on the bottom view, which would be the right side of the car. We'll come down here and we'll select on, again, hidden lines visible, and we'll do the same thing, right mouse click and go tangent edge removed. So the judge is only going to see what he really needs to see in order to make a correct assessment on your car. For example, the eye hooks, for example, the underlines here of the front pod wing, and also the outside edges of the CO2 block here. One more important point about looking at the views in this way: when the judge actually judges your car at a CO2 Dragster race, whether it be at TSA Districts, TSA State, or TSA Nationals, the first thing they will do is lay the drawing out on the track. They will take your car and lay it directly over your drawing. This allows them to quickly make an assessment as to the actual size of the car as it being correct. Additionally, it is vitally important that when you bring this in, that you set your scale for your drawing, as we see here, to 1:1. The 1:1 relationship is how the judges rapidly actually go in and make an assessment of your car. The second thing they will do is they'll lay the dragster on its side to check the eye hook distance right here, from this point to that point. This quickly gets through a majority of the cars when it comes to judging them and quickly making an assessment by the judge as if this car will pass technical specifications and allow it to go on and race in the knockout round. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and start dimensioning this drawing. Once we get the drawing completely dimensioned, we're going to come back to the drawing and we're actually going to put a border sheet around the edge of the car with only the essential information needed. So let's get started.